So welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at playing Sorcery Nomad, more specifically how to install mods for the game. Now this is going to require a PC, but it does not require a VR ready PC, but you do have to allow the PC to access the Quest, and all you have to do is plug it into your PC, and then a pop-up should pop up on your headset asking, are you sure you want to allow this to access your device? And I always click always allow from this device, and that will make sure you will never have to have this prompt ever again. But with that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So once you have your PC and Quest all connected to each other, all you have to do is open up a Windows File Explorer or a random folder and double click on the Quest folder, Android, OBB, and then last but not least, your com.warpfrog Blade and Sorcery folder. What you want to do next is go to the bas.jsonb file and then copy and paste it to your desktop. I already have it copied and pasted, so I'm just going to replace it entirely. Once you're all set up with that, what you want to do is open up your downloaded mod and then extract it to your desktop and then copy and paste that JSON file to the com.warpfrog Blade and Sorcery Nomad. So before you go off playing Blade and Sorcery, what you want to do is unplug your headset from your computer and then restart your headset. What this will do is save any changes you made to the game folder and implement them into the game. So if you like the video, you know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, Richard, check yourself.